The price will be set by the attendees. Number 5. My question is, can a person be a successful trader using your insider code system, working, for example, only an hour a day and still maintain his or her current full-time job? Absolutely. Now you have to remember that your opportunities will be a little bit different. As I've said over the last couple of weeks, when the market presents an opportunity, you've got to trade that kind of opportunity. And part of this, well, I won't go down that rabbit hole. Just remember that sometimes the market doesn't give you the best opportunity for something like an autopilot trade. It's mistaken thinking to believe that you can come into the market and have set it and forget it trades all day long. If it were that easy, I'm telling you, everybody would be making money. In fact, I was talking with a crew member today, and the suggestion that I gave to him was to really think about the fact that if you could boil trading down to something that was easy enough so it only took a couple of minutes to learn, or maybe a half an hour to explain, then why do 93% of all traders lose money in the market? Okay, so remember, it boils down to skills. It's not about how much money you have in your account, although that helps. It's not about what specific kind of trading system you use. It has to do with your overall skills. It's no different than a football player. A wide receiver is not just about the ability to catch. It's about his ability to read the defense, his ability to change on the fly, his speed, his stamina. All of that applies. It applies in everything that we do. Okay, so remember that. Nothing changes just because we're into the financial markets. It's still going to take some time. You just have to remember that the market continually changes. Like I said in, I think it was last night's video, we are in an unprecedented time, everybody. I mean, remember that. Everything in the market has changed. The subprime market is collapsing. Real estate is on the verge of collapsing. You had a bank failure over in the UK, for crying out loud. These are not small events, everybody. Remember that. These are huge, life-changing events for a lot of people. Okay, you have to realize that. So this is not the same market that we had even just 3 months ago or 4 months ago. Okay, big changes have happened. You've got to get that into your system and really understand it. Number 6. Okay, in the advanced tactic videos, you mentioned you were able to make money using these tactics nearly every day. Again, here's one of the things that you've got to understand. And this is why systems break. This is why things that you buy off the shelf don't work all the time. It's why in the introduction I said this is not a black box system. The market changes. Okay? The market is in a position now where there just simply aren't opportunities every day in every single market. But if you learn the skills that are in the kit, then you can apply the strategy possibly to a different market or use a different system. Okay? And I think that's going to be a theme moving forward. And this is partially because of the massive amount of information I have from the survey. By the way, thank you to everybody that did take that survey. I know I said in the beginning it would take 8 minutes. That was a gross underestimation. I apologize for that. But at any rate, I really appreciate you answering those questions for me. In the end, remember that nothing is set in stone with the markets other than a few key principles, but it's the execution of those principles that change. It's how the principles start to come out in the market. Okay, for example, you can see here, this pattern is overall a pennant pattern. But do you see how sloppy it is? Okay, there are several times where the market pushed above the upper line here. Now, it doesn't mean that we have to throw this out. If the market were trending, I would throw this pattern out. But now, because the market is caught in a whipsaw action, it's been trading sideways for